I am not here to fearmonger, but I'm here to explain how dentistry has been quietly cascading in the wrong direction. The mushrooming of dental colleges in the late 1990s and early 2000s created a huge pool of dentists without adequate clinical training. Now, unlike medicine, dentistry is purely surgical. Skill is not optional, training is everything. Yet, in the 5-year BDS program, students often don't touch a simple root canal until the fourth year, and in many colleges, not even by the end of internship. Basic procedures like extraction and crown and bridge remain unfamiliar. Today, BDS costs in between 5 to 25 lakh rupees, and India has around 28,000 total seats, but only 3,500 are in the government colleges. Now, government colleges often lack infrastructure like phantom heads, microscopes, modern materials, while private colleges often lack patient exposure, and most of them lack both. By the early 2010s, the consequences were clearly visible. Markets were flooded with substandard dentistry, compromised materials, price bargaining over quality, poor clinical outcomes. Dentists were left with no jobs or salaries as low as 5,000 rupees a month. Government hospitals offered 1 to 2 posts per hospital, which were barely enough. Thousands of undertrained dentists were pushed into opening clinics not by choice but by survival. Those with money pursued MDS, not for specialization, but to learn basic dentistry properly. This added another 4 to 40 lakh rupees financial burden on families. Then came corporate dentistry in the early 2010s. Dental chains, they were really smart. They hired BDS and MDS graduates at low salaries, charged patients a premium fees, and outcomes depended entirely on the individual practitioner's skill, not the system. Now, in the 2020s, the situation is even more grim. Yes, seats are going vacant. Yes, Gen Z is opting out, choosing diversification and entrepreneurship. But just because students are adapting does not absolve the responsibility of those authorities that are responsible. Thousands of young minds are still being put at stake for money. If dentistry is to survive with dignity, the system must be held accountable. If you are watching this, share it. This needs to reach people who can bring real change.